Basics of digital electronics. What is digital electronics? Digital electronics is a branch of electronics which deals with the digital signals to perform various tasks and meet various requirements. It is based upon the digital design methodologies and consists of digital circuits, that is ICs, and logic gates. It uses only binary digits, that is either 0 or 1. What are logic gates? Logic gates are the basic blocks of the digital circuits. There are three types of basic gates, that is AND, OR, and NOT. Two universal gates are made of these three basic gates, which are NAND gate and NOR gate. These gates are the basic functional blocks of digital circuits which work upon making combinations of zeros and ones. These are the subcomponents of the ICs. Why were the digital electronics needed? Most analog systems were less accurate and were slow in computation and performance. Digital system has the ability to work faster than analog equivalents and can operate at very high frequencies too. It was much economical than analog methodologies as the performance was faster. Digital systems, the 21st century era. Basically, the 21st century era systems uses silicon wafers, ICs, CMOS, etc. in the VLSI technology to build up the large-scale electronic devices and machines. The most commonly used devices are the data servers, GPS systems, security systems, market products like barcode readers, etc. All these devices are precise and reliable except the user makes his own mistake. That is, in these devices, system errors are least possible. Cost. Performance ratio is high, hence these are economically beneficial too. What are integrated circuits, that is ICs? ICs are the microcircuits which are fabricated on a very small silicon wafers, that is chip, at which various components like BJT, CMOS, etc. are mounted up to make a wholesome functional unit. These days, various types of circuits integrations are possible at large extent, that is small scale, large scale, and very large scale integration, that is VLSI. CMOS, the basic building block of ICs today. The CMOS, that is complementary metal oxide semiconductor, is the basic building block of ICs today. It is a combination of P-channel MOSFET and N-channel MOSFET as shown in the figure. These days, it is being used widely because it has the least power dissipation in all the components available for fabrication today. Why CMOS dissipates less power? In CMOS structure, when NMOS is on, then PMOS is off, and when PMOS is on, then NMOS is off. Thus, the structure of CMOS does the work of two transistors consuming the less power of only one transistor, that is MOSFET. This shows the reason why CMOS is being used on a large scale today. It is used to make the logic gates, examples of advantages of digital systems over analog systems. The most common present-time example is the speedometers used in vehicles. In analog meters, there is an error chance of misreading the speed, while in the digital 7-segment display of a digital speedometer, there are no chances left for a misreading error, hence increasing the accuracy. Even in the digital meters, there is a hold button to hold the display value on the screen. Analog versus digital electronics. Analog electronics, digital electronics. It has usually larger circuits and occupies more area. It has smaller integrated circuits and occupies lesser area. Analog measuring instruments are less accurate, chances of misreading are more. Digital measuring instruments are more accurate and there is no chances of misreading it. The instruments are delicate and harms are more in case of drops and falls. The instruments are more stronger and there are lesser harms on drops and falls. Data transmission using digital systems. The digital system sends the data in the form of packets of digital codes. Thus, we can encode and decode them in various formats and codes. Data encryption is also possible in the digital systems, hence the data transmission is more secure and can be manipulated in many formats. Digital systems are much advantageous in communications. Future scopes and possibilities of digital electronics. The digital electronics use VLSI technology, which has considerably decreased the size and area of the circuit boards and has enhanced the accuracy and performance of the systems. Moreover, digital systems have the advantage of the data encryption for the communication purposes. The data transmission is safe and secure. All these factors clearly show that the digital electronics stream has wide future scope in the modern era.